Windows 11 computer is running slowly. Maybe you just update your device, or you just bought a new device. Maybe you just swap your device to Windows 11, or you just upgrade to Windows 11, but this device is running very slow. Then here is what you need to do, guys, to fix it permanently. Do watch this video to the end so that you'll be able to fix your Windows 11 that is running slowly. Let's move on, guys. Go to the start button here, click on it, then click on settings. Locate and tap on privacy and security at this side here, click on it. Once you click on it, then locate and click on general. Once you click on general, make sure that everything is turned off. The let app show me personalized ad, turn it off. Then let websites show me local relevance, turn it off. This let window improve start and search result, turn it off. Just make sure you turn everything up. So guys, improve the rate at which your computer boot on when you tap on the power button. Then the next thing you have to do is very simple as well. Still go back to the same place, click on this start button, then click on settings. Then under setting again, go ahead and click on privacy. Under privacy, locate and click on diagnostic center. So this button, click on it. When you click on this button, make sure that this button is turned off. If your own is turned on, make sure you turn it off. Very important, turn it off. Then as well, scroll down to this one that says tailored experience. Click on it and make sure that this button is also turned off. If your own is turned on, make sure you turn it off. Then after that, make sure you come to this place, delete diagnostic center. Click on this button and click on this delete button. Now that I've clicked on this and you've deleted this again, this will improve your system performance. Another thing you have to do for me, guys, to be sure that your window runs very fast, is to check the update on your device. Then click on this start button again, click on the settings icon. Once you click on the settings icon, scroll down to this place, click on Windows Update. When you click on Windows Update, you have yourself at this place. Then scroll down to this option that says Advanced option, click on it. When you click on Advanced option, it brings to this interface. Then scroll down to what is called Delivery Optimization. This button, click on it. When you click on Delivery Optimization, make sure that this button is turned off. You see that allow download from other device. If you turn this on, your device may send part of the previous download to Windows Update and add to the device on your local network. So tap on this button. Make sure you tap on this device on local network, then click on this button to turn it off. Make sure you turn this button off. Once you do this, guys, then your Windows 11 computer will run faster and smoothly. Another thing you have to do for me is to combine these two keys together, or you right click on this start button, then you click on run. You may as well combine Windows plus R key to bring out this button, this command button. Now in this place, type in msconfig, then hit enter. It brings to this interface. Now go ahead and click on the service button here. Now once you click on the service button here, come back to this place and hide this button, hide all Microsoft services. Click on this button. Once you hide it, then here you have other information that is third-party app. Then disable all. Once tap on disable all, then click on apply. Once you apply, you've disabled this. This will help your device to boot up or to run very fast when you click on the start button, or when you power on your device. Now from here, click on this start up button, then to open the task manager. There are 2 ways or 3 ways you can open your task manager. You can open your task manager from this process by clicking on this task manager button. It brings to this interface. Doing that take you straight to this place, startup app. Now here are the third-party apps that you don't use on your device. Make sure you disable most of these. Make sure that disable, then your security is always enable, disable. Then this one, update adapter, enable it. Then this one, enable it. Most of these third-party app, make sure that you disable it. Then Microsoft Copilot, I don't use it. Then right click on this one and disable it. Make sure you right click and disable it. That's how to right click and disable it. But in case you do not get this from this place and you want to access the taskbar, just come to this startup button, right click on it, then click on task manager. Once you click on task manager, it brings you to this interface. Then from this side here, click on startup button. Then you'll be able to access the same page, then perform the same task. Just right click and disable. Now that I've done this, guys, go here and click on OK. Then it brings to this interface. When you click on this OK, now here's what to do. You have to restart your system or exit without restart. Once you tap on exit without restart, when you tap on your device to restart, then it's going to fix the problem with your setting. So let me click on this exit without restart. With these settings, guys, you'll be able to improve your system when you power it on. I mean, it's going to run very fast and it's going to do best for you guys. The next thing you have to do, guys, is to combine Windows plus R to open the run button again. Now it comes out like this. Then in this search section here, type in this pause sysdme.cpl, then hit the enter button. Once you hit the enter button, it comes out like this. Then click on advanced button here. Once you click on advanced button, click on this settings option. Once you click on this settings option, you have yourself at this place. Then come back to this place, guys, and click on this button. Now you manually select what you want here. The first you have to select here is animate windows. This button, animate windows. When minimizing and maximizing, check this button. Then go ahead and check on show thumbnails. This button, click on this one, then click on this smooth edge, then click on apply, click on OK. This will also improve the rate at which your computer runs very fast. Don't forget to click on this OK here. With these settings, guys, try it and you see that your computer runs very well. Now let's continue. Go ahead and click on this start button, then click on settings. Once you click on settings here, then go ahead and click on personalization. Then here locate and click on color. From here, make sure that this button is turned off. Transparency effect, make sure you turn off this button. If this button is turned on, make sure you turn it off. It's going to improve the rate at which your computer looks up when you start it up or each time you update your device. The next thing you have to do from this place, once you've added this settings option, is to go to the setting again and click on system. Here click on system. Once you click on system, then locate and click what is called storage. Here we want to access our storage scene. Now first thing you have to do is to be sure that this storage scene is enabled. This automatically free all space, delete temporary file, and manage local available cloud content. So make sure that this button is enabled. Now that I've done that, then come out to this but that says temporary file, click on it. Once you click on it, then you quickly refresh this and see some of the file that is loading here. Just wait a few seconds, then you have access to some of the file that is here that you can easily delete. Now recycle bin is taking about 3 gig. I think my recycle bin will be taken away. The Microsoft, the vendor antivirus, is taking a link. I will no critical file used by Microsoft. Then all you have to do is to come back to this place, guys, and delete everything from this place. So click on this remove file, then click on continue. Once you do that, guys, then it's going to remove those files. Then come back to the storage again, then under the storage, then scroll down to this place, clean up recommendation, click on it. Once you click on it, if there is any big files here, guys, make sure you delete and remove them. Like this one now, large or unused file. If there is anyone here, remove it. File syncs to cloud. If there is anyone here, remove it. Then if unused apps, if you have any unused app here, remove it. So with this, guys, your computer will run very fast. Guys, follow this. Now that I've done this, then let's move on to optimize our computer for best performance. Now go ahead and click on Windows R again to bring out this button. Now here type in %10%. Hit the enter button. Once you hit the enter button, it comes out like this. Now these are temporary files that accumulate on your device and prevent your device from running very fast. To delete it, click any one, Ctrl A to highlight, then Shift delete, guys, to delete everything here. Click on this. So like this one now, just continue and remove everything. Something like this is likely happen, don't worry, just keep this, and this because some of this is open at the background of your device. So with this, guys, your device will be able to run very smoothly. Then don't forget, guys, you need to do the same thing. Click on this, right click on this start button, then click on this run button. It brings to this interface. Now here type in temp, T-E-M-P, then hit the enter button. Now here you can see that you have a lot of file here that's of no use on your device. every other thing that you have been doing on your device is here, and this file, they are of no use. Then right click as well and delete this one to be sure that everything is deleted here. Don't show this again, then skip this. Now guys, so with this your computer will run very fast. Hope you understand. Now the next thing you have to do is very simple as well. We are going to make use of the settings button again. So let's click window I. Once you click on window I or combine window I, it opens the settings option here. Then go ahead and click on this app button. Then go ahead and click on installed apps. Now once you click on the restore apps, then let's sort by date or by size. So let's sort by date installed. So you sort by date installed. Now you have to take a look at all these apps here that you are not using. Some of these apps here are useless, you don't use them. All you have to do is whenever you see any app that you don't use here, then remove it. Once you remove it, this app will stop from running the background of the device, and the app will stop accumulating spaces on your device, thereby improve the performance of your device. Like this Claude AI now, I don't normally use it, so let me uninstall it. Click on this button, then click on uninstall, then click on uninstall. Just wait a few seconds for this app to be uninstalled successfully on my device, thereby creating more space on my device and let my device work perfectly again. So that is what you need to do, guys, if you want your device to run very well, to perform very well, even if you get a new device or you have been using it over a couple of months or years. The last but not the least on this process is to click on this search bar, then type in turn Windows feature on. This button, click on it. Once you click on it, it comes out like this. Then go ahead and if this Hyper-V is checked, like media feature, make sure you uncheck it. If it is checked, make sure you uncheck it, then click on OK. Then with these simple settings, your computer will be able to run very fast. So guys, if you enjoy what I've explained so far in this video and you've not subscribed to my channel, please, this is what you can do, guys, to motivate me. Subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to share this with your family, because this might be of great help unto them. See you so guys on my next video.